Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
There are thousands of online reviews. We even got a promo code for you at ZeroResHouston.com.
At Air Specialist, we believe a good name is earned, not given. With every AC repair, we dedicate ourselves to the craftsmanship and precision that you would
Shit! What the
serious?
Wow.
Okay.
Car going on.
Are there levels? I guarantee you there's definitely there's definitely levels. New secret clearance. But there's no way he's on a 9th room where the room is only 3 people. Yeah. So yes, RFK's got a place on the team. He just doesn't have it in the That's the fun, because say I talk about something.
Piece of shit.
But after the 5 of us have a call together, then 2 of us have a call together.
Go on the camera, you piece of shit.
His secret clearance.
You piece of shit.
He won't be that because of what he did to me. However, he's still got a big job to play. So RFK. If I'm RFK and I'm going from 9 to 4, I fully believe he's a true believer. Till today, nothing's changed with me on the way.
Idiot.
I think he's a full-blown true believer. I think the RFK father and the brother stuff that you see is 100% true. I think he can't stand what Fauci did. I think he can't stand what
you're on camera.
I think he can't stand
you're crazy, bro.
Place. And I think he wants to finish his job, get in there and do something about it. But unfortunately, the toughest thing to realize sometimes.
What do you want?
I will beat the out of you.
What's your problem?
What, you Afghan Packy?
Me?
Yeah.
No, I'm not.
You Arab?
Are you?
Are you Arab or something? You don't know how to drive? Are you stupid?
No, you're stupid.
I'll beat the out of you right now, pussy. Do you understand me?
You crazy, bro.
Get the out of the car.
What?
Because you're a pussy.
No, get the out of it.
Your mom.
You mom. You mom. You piece of shit. You're on camera. You're on camera. You're on camera.
Because according to the numbers, Joe Rogan's a number of
you fucking idiot.
The market dictates where you're at, not you. And it's tough for RFK to choose.
Idiot, bro.
Some people are role players when Carmelo Anthony and in Westbrook.
Are you in drugs, bro?
I got out of the car.
Huh?
You better hit me. I have a dash cam, you pussy.
Idiot. Dude, you crazy, bro, crazy. You really want to fight over this?
I'll f you up. Hey, I will literally f you up to pull over. Yeah, pussy.
Bro.
Fuck your mom real good.
Bro.
Your mom's a
chill
donkey.
out.
Your mom's a donkey.
Fucking idiot, bro.
I'm a disgrace, I can't be saved. I try new things, but I can't change.
Oh shit, bro. What the f?
The robot, there's some pieces. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. He can't wait. What the f are you doing? Look at this guy.
Book now and save with exclusive rates from the Sunshine State. Once you explore the islands with Celebrity Cruises,
Can't go there. See, look, today's the day of the assholes.
Call 1-800-CELEBRITY or contact
Current loop video is now locked.
Or evil as Joe Biden calls it. Well, think about it this way too.
What the hell are you doing?
People do what have never.
Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Oh, I got you on video.
Current loop video is now locked.
I said that I'm great and a wife. I'm a lifer cause I'm toxic.
Oh my god, are you serious?
He's gonna.
No, I don't.
Well, he's gonna. Book.
Bro.
Book.
Look at you! Look at you! Bro, what are you doing, bro? Really? Okay, Garmin. Okay, Garmin. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Okay, Garmin. Okay, Garmin. What are you doing? Holy crap, lady. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Really? 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 Okay, Garmin. Save video. Look at you. Got your own side. Where are you?
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.